Hello, it's like here to show you the space compass coloring here. As you see, is that I went ahead and drew right here is a picture of a space compass. It's like you see is that I went ahead and started just a small amount of detail, and along right here is you got the compass, north, south, and east and west, and pretty much is like this. Like be working with this big variety of colors, including is like you got the so you call it the black pen, and then along with the marker. But you see right here is you got these heads right here. You got the head, with the say this the real say the straight point on there, and then like then you got the thicker point on there that whatever you call them that they have it to where the point gets thicker. But you can only also call it as it's called the thick and thin, between thick and thin head. That you got the point right there that makes like a thicker straight or a line, or what you call like a design of a blend of color for whatever you're working with. But of course it'll be I'm gonna try my best to make it to draw as much detail as I can on say that is what you call a scenery right here of you say planet Earth, and along with the space, along with some stars. But you got the see the pens right here. You got the black marker, and then along with say you got the pen. But you see you add some detail. Add detail. Go ahead and get the edges first. You get a little bit of the edges. And so you got the edges right here, and then start your way towards the middle. It's like you got some stars right there. And a lot of times is what I sometimes do is to for like a darker type color, a darker type blend is to turn it sideways. It's like if I were to lie the marker down, is to aim it sideways, and then let the side of we see just like a paintbrush. If you just let the side of the brush touch the page of art, and be able to get more of a darker color right there, other than letting the tip of how do you say the tip of the colored marker on the page, which I don't even know really what they call it. If it's say the connector point or something like that. Which I'm getting on here is that so far as the connection, the actual the firm point or whatever. But you gotta have it sideways, starting out as sideways. Right here is to color the color in the spots of a space right there, and then go ahead and get the direction from to the right, left and right angle, and then after that, and then so you go ahead and leave those markers there, but go ahead and work with the blue marker, and then go ahead and get some blue right in here, say for the spacing. But right here is you got the space scene right here, and then you say that you could maybe think about is that so far as a space compass is go ahead and add a number of stars. It's like you don't have to be all dark, but you maybe pick up a few spots where you want to add some stars. Got the blue right there, and then see here, go ahead and add like a little bit of say the yellow right here. Add a little bit of yellow. Starting to look kind of like Pringles, the Pringles cereal, right there on the scene in space. And then along here is you got to see the purple. Add some purple, and then besides stars, go ahead and maybe add some purple right here. So you go ahead and add some purple right up above. Okay, and then after that, and then go ahead and start working right here. Just to start working a little bit on say for planet Earth, is to say that at this part right here was part of Europe, or it could be Europe or Asia or whatever. That so you got this part right here that was part, say, also known as, say, the blue planet. And along right here you got this, you color this in, which this part right here would say be part of either Canada or the United States. And then after that, and then from there, and go ahead and see, work with a little bit of light blue. Got light blue right here. See, tilt that sideways to be able to get a more darker color right here. And after that, and then go ahead and add that, the purple. Go ahead and tilt this sideways to add a little bit darker shade of purple right here, and make it look a little bit blue. It's like make it a little bit blue is to add a little bit, add the purple, and then after that, and then go ahead and add a blue and green mix. That blue and green mix, to like, the edges right here. Go ahead and get the edges. So you go ahead and do, the green. Get the green right here. Get the lighter. See a lighter, darker, that was like a darker type green. Go ahead and use a lighter type green here, and get the green to show a little bit. Anyway, after that, and then see here, I got the, so you use this green right here, and then after that, I had to use the green, which I was able to get a little bit of it, for like the land. It's got a landscape, and then go ahead and add just a little bit of red right here. Red right here, and then a red right here. Say that that part right here, this part right here also could be, is like it could be part of Italy or wherever. And then after that, and then we go ahead and maybe work a little bit on black right here. Got the black right there, and then after that, and then go ahead and add some orange. I can get the orange to show up. So it's showing up very lightly. You see here. We go ahead and see here. And add the blue. Get the blue right there. Okay, and then so far with Space Compass, is you have it to where you got the directions north, south, and east and west. Is that you have it to where that you would be able to, it's like if you were to be sailing out, it's like on a cruise ship, be sailing on the cruise ship, and then sailing on the boat, so you got the sail right there. Be sailing is like you say that this part right here, depending on what direction, so north, south, or east or west, if it's the Pacific or the Atlantic Ocean. Along right here is you have the compass, kind of like you say the equator. So equator. There's like I would know is like that the part that circles or around the Earth, but had that, and then along here you got the stars. And so far as with the stars, as you have it to where you got the variety of colors right here. Got that variety of colors, and along right here is you got the kind of like the swirl.